Quit your job and make trading a full-time income, and I guarantee you that at the end of this video, we make $100,000 a month trading, is what most people will tell you. And take a look at Claude. She still works as a swimming instructor, but makes over $9,000 in a single withdrawal. Or Leonard, who made 55,000 USD in a single trade. These are just some results I produced over the last few months. And hell, I have thousands more. If you're new here, I'm Leonard, multi-7-figure trader, and I have absolutely nothing to sell you. The goal of this video is to give you 5 commandments to follow strictly in order to make decent income while maintaining security and stability of your job. My philosophy is 2 income sources are always better than 1. Now, before we dive in, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and join our trading Telegram group where we share exclusive tips and strategies completely free. Commandment number 1. Prioritize risk management. Forex trading is not just about making profits, it's also about protecting what you have. Use stop losses at invalidation points to limit potential losses and take profit orders to secure your gains. Now, I can already hear the comments. Well, no shit lah, Leonard, I already knew this. So let me elaborate. Being profitable in trading as a whole is all about losing less, not necessarily winning more. So when it comes to trading, where you have to juggle a job as well, focus more on your risk to reward ratio. This can come with swing trading or scalping, both of which I will touch on. Tip number 2. Alerts are your best friend. Have you ever found yourself, trying to manage trade during your work hours, and you have to keep switching from your trading view to your work documents because your boss is patrolling the office floor? Okay, so this is where alerts come in. I don't even look at the chart 24/7, as a full-time trader. I simply set alerts at my key points of interest and let the alerts do the work for me. So instead of watching the candlestick print in the middle of nowhere, I make better use of my time relaxing, going to the gym, or making content for you guys. And there are 2 main reasons alerts are so helpful: time management and trading performance. Firstly, you don't have to stare at the charts continuously. This means you can focus on what you need to do. Be it work, spending time with your family, going to work out or whatever, and then pay attention to the charts when your alert rings. Trading performance closely relates to chart time. But Leonard, I need to look at the charts to catch every move and become a millionaire, right? Wrong. In trading, less is more when you obsess over the charts. Somehow, 100 trade ideas will start popping into your head, but only 5% of them are actually good. So quality over quantity every single time. That's how I've been able to perform at my best when I sit down to trade, amassing 7 figures in profits. And you know what? It's only going up. Tip number 3. Look into swing or position trading by analyzing higher timeframe charts. You can make trading decisions with a broader perspective, avoiding the noise of short-term fluctuations. Swing trading allows you to capitalize on swings or longer-term moves in the market over several days or weeks. Perfect for those who can't be glued to their screens. This style is great as you don't have to actively monitor the trades as much as you would on shorter term trades, simply because your SL and TP points have much more room to breathe. This is a great way to grow your capital without paying much attention to it. If you don't already know how to do swing trading or position trading, here's 2 simple strategies you can use. Number 1, the Williams certified range, and number 2, the break and retest strategy. Let's touch on the Williams certified range briefly. There are 3 main criteria for a Williams certified range. Criteria number 1, identify a strong support and resistance on the 4-hour or 1-hour time frame. Criteria number 2, ensure the range between the support and resistance is at least 100 to 150 pips wide. Criteria number 3, the support and resistance must have 2 clean points of contact with price in order to be considered a valid range. Once all 3 criteria are met, you can start to look for entries. If price hits the support, you can look to take a buy position with stops placed below the support zone, targeting the resistance. If the price taps the resistance, you can take a sell position with stops placed above the resistance zone, targeting the support. Let me show you with a quick example. On the USD C80 H4 timeframe, you can see that we have a support and resistance zone with 2 clean taps on each side. The range between the support and resistance zones are roughly 105 pips. This is a valid WCR. Now, when the price has a fake out and returns back to resistance, we can start looking for sells. Right there, that's a sell confirmation, that bearish engulfing candle. Now, we place the stops above the resistance, targeting support. And let's see how it goes. Boom! TP smash. Tip number 4, look into scalping. Yeah, I know, it completely contradicts my previous point, but hear me out. I understand that holding on to trades for a long time is very mentally taxing for some people. You tend to think about your trades, which can cause you to lose focus on what you actually need to do. Enter the world of scalping. These trades take you about 1 or 2 hours to complete and can be done before or after work. The first thing you need to identify is what session suits your schedule. I would recommend being able to scalp the London or New York session. Next, you will need a proven strategy that works during the respective sessions. Nick has created multiple different videos like the Judas Swing strategy, the Asian Sweep strategy, and the ICT Silver Bullet strategy. Let's do a quick recap on the ICT Silver Bullet strategy. First, we'll pick a Silver Bullet hour and a major currency pair to trade. Let's use the 3 to 4 AM EST Silver Bullet hour on Euro USD. Next, you wait for a point of liquidity to be swept. In this case, it will be the relative equal lows resting right here. Then, look for a 5-minute fair value gap in the direction of opposing liquidity. In this case, a bullish FEG, and set a buy limit order at the high of the fair value gap, targeting a 1:2 risk reward ratio with stops above the first candle that created the fair value gap. And there you have it. TP smashed in minutes. Again, the detailed strategies including this one will be linked below in the description, so do check them out after this video. Tip number 5. Set realistic goals and expectations. It is essential to approach Forex trading with a clear understanding of what you aim to achieve and the patience to get there. Define your financial goals and time you need to dedicate to your trading. And of course, stick to your trading plan, right? Set realistic expectations for yourself given the time that you have to, commit to trading, how much capital you have to start with, and what trading strategy you're actually using. This disciplined approach will help you steadily build your trading skills and portfolio over a long period of time. So that sums up the 5 commandments you must follow strictly in order to make a decent trading income while maintaining the security and stability of your job. Most importantly, if you feel like you need a community to vibe and learn and earn with, okay, make sure to click the first link you see in the description below or in the pinned comments to join the Telegram group. In there, we share free signals and analysis and even weekend crypto trade ideas. All this is accessible to you with the first link in the description below. So that concludes the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Leonard signing out.